If you want to stop push notifications every time someone sends you a direct message on X, formerly Twitter, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to turn that off in just a few clicks. This is a simple way to reduce distractions and keep your phone from lighting up every time a message comes in. If this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open x.com or the X app and make sure you're signed into your account. On the left navigation bar, click on More. This opens the full menu with additional account settings. From there, click Settings and Privacy. Next, look for Notifications and click it. This is where X lets you control what kinds of alerts you receive. Inside Notifications, click Preferences. After that, select Push Notifications. This section controls what shows up on your device as a push alert. Now find Direct Messages and toggle it off. Once you switch that off, you will no longer receive push notifications when someone sends you a direct message. Your messages will still come through, but without the extra pop-up alerts on your phone or device. This is especially useful if you want fewer interruptions while still keeping your inbox active. And that's it. You've successfully blocked push notifications for direct messages on X. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next tutorial for more quick fixes and app settings guides.